So hey guys, today we are making brownies. Yes, you heard it right, brownies from scratch. Now in a saucepan add 130 grams of unsalted butter. Melt the butter. The butter should not be too hot or too cold. It should be around room temperature. Now add your melted butter into a bigger bowl. Now add the brown sugar. Add the castor sugar. Here I am using powdered sugar. Whisk the butter and the sugar mixture properly until it gets smooth. Here I am using a hand beater. You can also use a hand beater or a whisk. Now crack one egg and whisk properly. Now crack another egg into the mixture and whisk vigorously as here the butter and the egg can also split. Whisk until shiny and glossy mixture is ready. Now in a separate bowl add the flour, the coffee, salt and the cocoa powder. Mix this mixture until all the things are incorporated with the help of a fork or a simple whisk. Now add the flour mixture to the butter mixture in 2 batches. You should not overdo the batter. Only mix until the dry flour is incorporated with the batter. As the mixture is getting dry, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of whole milk for extra richness and smoothness to the batter. Now it's time to chop some chocolates. Here I am using dark chocolate. You can also use milk chocolate as well. Now fold the chocolates into the brownie batter. Fold 4 to 5 times and transfer the batter. Now transfer the batter to a 8 by 8 Pyrex disc. You can also use a cake tin. Tap the brownie on your workstation to remove all the bubbles. Now bake the brownie at 175 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes or until the toothpick inserted and comes out clean. Cool the brownie for around half an hour. Now it's time to plate the brownie. You can also cut the brownie in normal traditional cubes also. Now while plating, I have topped the brownie with some chocolate ganache, mint leaves, some edible flowers and sugar honeycomb. And on the right hand side, I have used some nut powder, vanilla ice cream on caramel on top and chocolate mousse. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching my video. Do share with your friends and family.